Hello viewers or subscribers, welcome to my YouTube channel, that is Jupiter Linked.
Ha assembly Takraiñ uba Ardent ya ka jingkren jung Conrad Sangma ha ka bedai bat ka mangtingka bat ka jingdabram jung ka jala Meghalaya uba Ardent ula ong baka sorkar Meghalaya kala sim ya karam ban siu ya karam nakata kadaw kam dei ke bangi dabram la ong uba Ardent ula ong baka jing penlut pisa kalong ka pyndonkam nre hakano karukom bat ha engin penlut ya kapisa hato ka jing penlut pisa kalong ka basaiso bat ka balongkam bu jing keli uba Ardent ya Conrad Sangma uba Ardent ula ther ya Conrad Sangma baka jing tungbun palat ki officer kalong ka bomla ban pediang uba Ardent ula ong baka jing dabram watang silak tingkaru kalong ka bahe lada ka jing penlut pisa kamlong kaba penmik pisa kajing pelut pisa kaba klem nong rim kawanra ya kajing dabram laong susu uba Ardent.
It has been noticed that the government is taking a loan to repay the loan. So is this not something that we are already fallen into a debt trap? Going by the present trend and also the observation of the Auditor General in its report tabled in this August House 21-22. The AG has observed in page 52 of this report that in absolutely monetary terms, the overall debt of the state of Meghalaya has increased by 62.22%. The primary reason for spike in debt ratio during 21-22 was on account of significant increase in internal debt. So, of course, I'm not saying the government not to take a loan, because I know we need to take a loan to supplement our own income. So what shall we do in a kind of a situation where we are not a state of being self-reliant? So I feel that we need to identify the projects, programs, or missions that are less important for the time being to invest. So our Honorable Chief Minister in the last session assembly, he said that his government has created a record as far as spending is concerned. I know that spending is necessary, but the question is how and where we spend the money. Is our spending fruitful or productive? These are the questions that we need to ask. So in this connection, I would like to tell the Honorable Chief Minister that the attempt on his part to justify the large number of political appointees is not acceptable. For a revenue staff like the state of Meghalaya, even 1 lakh is a huge amount if its expenditure is not productive.